Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit a Facebook or Instagram post in Meta Business Suite. To begin, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you are in the correct business account and profile where the post was originally published. This is important because Meta Business Suite can manage multiple Facebook and Instagram accounts. So taking a quick moment to confirm you are in the right place can help avoid editing the wrong content. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Content. This section is where Meta Business Suite organizes your published posts and other content across connected accounts. If you are not sure where to find a specific post, this area is usually the best starting point because it brings your published content into one central view. After opening the Content section, find and select the post you want to update. In this example, you will choose the sample post that has already been published. When selecting the post, take a moment to confirm that it is the exact one you want to change. This can be especially helpful if you have several posts with similar images, captions, or publish dates. With the correct post selected, click on Edit. This will open the editing options for that post so you can make your changes. Depending on the platform and the type of post, Meta Business Suite may allow you to adjust text, captions, or other editable elements. If you are managing both Facebook and Instagram content, it is also a good idea to double-check how your edits will appear on each platform before finalizing anything. As a general tip, before making changes, quickly review the post for accuracy, tone, and formatting. Small edits can make a big difference, especially if the post is part of an active campaign or has already started receiving engagement. It is also helpful to read the updated version once through before saving, just to make sure everything looks polished and clear. And that's it. By going to Meta Business Suite, opening the Content section, selecting your published post, and clicking Edit, you can quickly update an existing Facebook or Instagram post in just a few moments. This is a simple way to keep your content accurate and up to date without having to create a brand new post from scratch.